Sneezing is the nasal alarm that shoots out irritants by triggering a rapid, coordinated reflex in the face and brain. The trigeminal nerve senses particles, histamine rises, and the body blasts air to expel the intruder while mucus coats and protects the lining. Cilia then sweep away debris, shielding lower airways and speeding recovery after exposure. Even after the sneeze ends, the nose quickly mends minor irritation, reinforcing the barrier against future invaders. This tiny, everyday act embodies the body's remarkable, self-healing defense in motion.